Every odor-free ozone generator comes complete, ready to go, with everything in the carton you need to start removing those stubborn smells. Care is taken into packaging to ensure it arrives safely, and if you like, the carton can be used for storage. The included Quick Start Guide provides quick and easy instructions for operating the machine for the first time. If you're short on time, the Quick Start Guide is the fastest way to get up and running. For customers dealing with an especially persistent odor or want to know more details about treating their particular situation, we include our Ozone treatment manual with every purchase. The odor-free motto. Almost every customer is dealing with a specific odor that is located in a particular type of space. This is a 22-page manual that provides detailed instructions for treating over 50 types of odors or locations, as well as a clear understanding of how to use ozone safely and effectively. It includes guidelines for setting up in different locations, treatment times for various types of odors, and other recommendations. Each odor-free machine is warranted for a full 5 years, no questions asked to the original purchaser. Make sure to keep the warranty card in your records. Also included is a door hanger in English and Spanish to let people know that an ozone generator is running. It's important to remember that all people and pets should vacate the area while treatment is in process. A smaller blue box is found in the back of the unit containing the ceramic plates, which are necessary for ozone production. Before doing anything else, remove the fiber filter from the back of the unit. Make sure to open the box and insert all of the plates into the back of the ozone generator. Each plate has arrows that indicate which side is to be inserted into the unit. The odor-free plates are easily removable for cleaning. It is important and necessary to install all of the ceramic plates provided with the machine. While the machine will operate with fewer plates, the ozone output would be reduced. Make sure to reinstall the fiber filter on the back of the unit. The purpose of the filter is to keep dust and other particles off the plates. We know that you may have questions about ozone treatment in your particular situation, and we are here to respond and assist. Please feel free to call the Odor Answer Line at 800-558-6723. Our staff of U.S.-based ozone specialists are available from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Eastern Time, or you may email us at support@odorfree.com.